Good morning. It is 5 a.m. I have not slept for 2 days. I feel very unwell. But yeah, I had to really run and pack this morning because all of yesterday I had to do a lot of work. And yeah, I should have packed earlier, but you know how it is. There's a lot of things that you're just using at the moment, so you don't really want to pack it until the very end. And I sound really stuffy right now because I haven't used my nasal spray yet. And yeah, so we're about to head to the airport. And I'll meet Jihan there. She's gonna be there before me for sure. Okay, see you there. Jihan forgot to vlog. Ah ha ha ha. Bye Edmonton. Goodbye cold weather. Nothing feels real. Yeah, actually, normally I get more anxious because I'm like, Luna, but it doesn't feel real. So I'm just like, what do you mean? I'm at the mall. I'm gonna go home soon.